Hello again. Another job interview tomorrow. So this one is located in Maebashi city in Gunma. So we are looking for one person only for this, and this is a dairy farm job. So again, this is a dairy farm job located in Maebashi city in Gunma, and the working time for this will be starting from 5 a.m. to 1900, and the salary for this is up to 330,000 yen. So but for this one there's no bonus for this, but since the interview is direct to the company employer, so you can negotiate also for about the bonus and the salary. So basic Japanese is okay for this job. So again, this is a dairy farm located in Maebashi city in Gunma. So anyone interested, you can comment down below. Thank you.